Step right up, don't be shy. Everyone's turn comes by and by. I'm no vulture, no robber, no thief. I'm here to bargain and grant you relief. Tell me your name, I'll write it down. Gold for your kin, no funeral gown. Why drag it out? Why suffer through? I'll make it gentle, quick and true. One little favor, one little trade, a coin for your rest in the bed I've made. Your cadaver clean and sound, I'll put it to work when you're in the ground. Take dear Zelius or sweet Marie, I've got their names all guaranteed. A promise signed, a body kept, peaceful endings, no tears wept. What would you choose, a cough and a wheeze, a slow goodbye on broken knees, or here tonight with silvered breath, a gentle hand, a kinder death? One little favor, one little trade, your kin are safe, the cost is paid. No pits, no debts, no soul in chains, just bones and bodies, work remains. Think of the morgue, the nameless piles, forgotten dead, unclaimed for miles. I give them use, I give them grace, a purpose found, a kind embrace. So take my hand, don't be afraid, the choice is yours, the rules are laid. Tomorrow's pain or tonight's reprieve, a bargain struck, a gift you leave. One little favor, one little trade, a name in my ledger, a promise made. Your cadaver honored, your story done. Take my hand and the deal is won. Don't mind the rattle, don't mind the creak. Close your eyes, now the end's not bleak. A coin, a name, a body to keep, and down you'll go to a painless sleep. This will be a hoot, I promise, my friend. A gentle goodbye, not sorrow to send. Your story lives on, your rest is complete. One